Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today I'm gonna show you how you can trade the cup and handle pattern. So let's begin. The first one that we need to focus is how is the cup and handle pattern formed. So this is the first and the base thing that we need to know. As beginning, price makes an impulsive movement. So this is the first phase. I will begin with the bullish cup and handle, and after that we are going to explain also the bearish one. After the price makes an impulsive move, the correction phase starts, and after that we can see a very low volume as the price begins to develop. So during this moment, after the first impulsive movement was created, we see the price to create a movement that begin to lose volume. This is the part where we see the base of the pattern to be created. This correction takes the shape of a U pattern. We are going to make it better in this way. So this is how it looks like. If we are going to connect the bottoms of the waves, you are going to see a pattern like this one here. So this is the first thing that you need to know, that the price begins to make lower lows, and after that it creates higher highs up to the top of the structure. After that, in general, the models look like a spoon, and the U correction usually ends when the price tests the top of the previous structure again. This is the moment when the price starts to create the handle. So here we have the retest of the top again. During this moment of time we will see how the price will create the handle, and at this point we can see that the handle is being formed most of the time in a type of a small flag pattern. This is the first scenario that we see for the handle, and after that the price moves higher, or probably it takes the shape also of a triangle pattern. So there are different scenarios for this handle. The reason is because at the handle of the pattern we are considering a continuation pattern where the price will begin the next movement. And the last one is that the price breakout from the previous top or bottom of the structure will indicate the continuation of the major trend. So this is the major structure as we are looking at. This is the major structure. And once the price breaks out above the structure, this is the breakout phase. Breakout of the structure, this is the confirmation that the price should continue to move higher. So this is overall the cup and the handle pattern, and usually the minimum target that we apply is that we take the measurement tools from the bottom to the top of the resistance line, and after that we take this and we clone up to the top of the pattern. And in this way is found the minimum target that we need to take the profits here. However, considering that this is a trend continuation pattern, we can see the price also to keep moving higher from this point. So this is the bullish cup and the handle pattern and how it is formed in theoretical part. The bearish one is that as beginning we need to see a bearish impulsive movement to move down. After that we need to see the price to make the correction, and this correction should take the shape of a spoon, as you can see. After price tests the strong support of the structure. So here we have the major structure. After the price will test the structure support, we can see that the beginning of the handle is closed. So at this moment price creates a correction for the handle of the pattern. The first one, as we explained, is the pattern that looks like a spoon here. It's very rounded. And the next one is the handle that it takes the shape of a flag, that can be a horizontal flag, or probably it can be also a type of triangle continuation pattern. Both are continuation patterns, and price can move down once the breakout happens. So this is the confirmation for the pattern, for the bullish and the bearish movement of this pattern. So this is the confirmation for the pattern. Also in this scenario we apply the minimum target. It is measured from the bottom of the pattern to the major support. We take the same measurement tools and we apply this for our target. This is the minimum target, and after that the price can keep also moving lower by extending the trend, as long as this is a trend continuation pattern. Today I'm gonna show you a real-time example of this pattern. This is a very beautiful example that I'm looking at on a WhiteBIT token, and let's see how the price is actually formed here. I shared this during some days ago. WhiteBIT token, for all of you that don't know, is the token of WhiteBIT broker, one of the biggest European crypto exchanges, that is also licensed, and it has also a very high staking fee. You will see that the first movement when they launched their token created the first bounce. So this is the first impulsive movement that we actually see. Look at how beautiful the price is actually created. So let me find the other tool. Here we have the tool for the other movement. So during this period of time, if I'm going to make it in this way, you will see that this is very clear, that price is creating this type of the spoon part of the cup and the handle pattern. Very interesting pattern formation right now. And on the other hand, we can see that the price is actually above this pattern. So we are only on the 4-hour time frame. Sometimes on the real time scenarios we can see also like this type of handle here, when the price tends to create the correction above the pattern, and sometimes in a bigger perspective. And look at the price potential that is here. Considering that we are at the beginning of the movement, I am looking at this also in an Elliott wave perspective. So this is the first movement that I'm actually expecting. This was the second wave, the third wave, fourth, that should take place in a small correction, and after that probably the fifth wave that will be close to 15. However, all of these projections that I'm doing here is done with very conservative targets, considering how the price may develop and also that the token is very new. The price should keep rising also higher than where it is now. However, we need to know that once the price develops in this way, it transforms, and after the 5-wave movement will be completed, we will see a 3-wave correction, and after that on the daily chart it will create another bigger cycle for more price increase at this moment. So for the moment we are at the beginning of this movement. I am going to show you also the other charts that I actually posted on WhiteBIT, and you will see that the price formation was very interesting. Look at where the price was on August 31. If I'm going to press the run button, you will see that price actually is showing accumulation of volume. So all of this is accumulation here. During yesterday, I updated the chart. Look at where it was, 6.2, and look at what happened on this part of the structure. So we are looking at this candle was very strong and price reached 7.2 approximately. So this is showing that the volume is actually increased a lot also in the broker. You can buy this token very easily. You can just go on the WhiteBIT token. You can come on the WhiteBIT boost just by simple clicks, make the registration process, deposit in your balance, and after that you are eligible to buy the token. You can find the referral link on the comment section below if you want to support my channel. I would really appreciate it. So this is a real-time example how the price developed in a type of a cup and handle pattern. I will show you also another live example that I filtered from my published ideas live examples. This is the impulsive wave that we can see on this chart. Price was creating the same movement, so we can see the correction phase here, a type of triangle that is in the type of the handle for this pattern, the breakout, and after that we can see that price increased, it came down again to retest, and after that it moved higher. As we can see, this was above the previous target, so the price tends to move a lot higher after this movement, and this is why I am expecting also for WhiteBIT to increase a lot. Also the token is very new, the volume will increase it a lot during the coming months, so I'm really optimistic on this token. Hope you guys enjoyed this analysis and also the educational content for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future content. Thank you. Bye bye.